to show you how works a micro job freelancing website, and this is the overview of my website. And here is the two button, join as seller and join as buyer. It's a complete micro job freelancing website like Fiverr, Upwork. And here is the join as a seller. Click on here registration. Input here is name. Click on sign up button. Registration successful. Your account is pending for approval. Now log as admin and approve this request. Here is the member request. Approve this. Okay, it's not admin role, it's user, and that is the user dashboard. And you can see here a total completed task. That means you have completed job I have posted by other users. Here is job review request. Click on here. That is as published you have posted, and someone done this job. Once you approve it, you will get this amount. Click on approve. If you are fully satisfied, you can provide him a rating point 1 to 5 stars. Submit rating point. Okay. Click on find job section. You can see here too much job search on here. Clicking the view and apply button. Okay, you can submit the job result from here. Total earnings, total pending balance, and total withdraw. Click on deposit section. You can deposit money from this section. Check the balance. Deposit 1100. Now 400 deposit. Okay, 1500. Here is the support center. If you have any problem related transaction, or you are facing any issue during transaction, please step here. Input your transaction ID like this, and submit this. Check the profile section. You can see here your total rating point, average rating point, and also you can update your information from here. And that is withdraw section. When you click on 500, you don't have sufficient balance. 150, you will get 135, and this website deducted 10% as a service provider. Also, you can post a job as a job provider. Select on YouTube, select on Instagram category. Input here which amount is your current. $5. Worker need 5, total 25. This will be deducted from your deposit balance. Click on here. Are you sure want to proceed? The total cost is $25. Confirm payment. Yes, $25 deducted from your deposit balance. Now 1470 $375, and you can see here not showing your job here. That means now in pending position. For now your job is pending for admin approval. Click on pending jobs. Here is your job preview. The admin will take your information, approve it. Here is your job. As admin, and the notification, that means check it here. I have deposited $100 but not credit my balance. Okay, and the admin can fix the issue. That means he tried to deposit $100 but the server error completed this transaction. Pay him $100. Okay, $157 available here. 157, $575. Yes. Total member, edit, and approve it. Job request, total earnings, total withdraw. You can see a total withdrawal request. Withdrawal request completed. And stuff, and you can select status, active, inactive. Subscribe and stay connected. I will upload this full episode tutorial.